Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be talking about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube video optimization management toolkit. If you want to achieve your dreams in YouTube of ever growing to a big YouTuber, you need some of these tools. Ensure you subscribe to Lifestyle Tutorials and also use my link here to get a bonus of 50% once you want to subscribe to TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy accelerates the growth of your audience and achieves your YouTube dreams. So we'll go directly. So I found my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, has telling me that this channel qualifies for free TubeBuddy sponsorship grades, and we look at them. And the sponsorship grids are here. It tells me that since I'm already monetized, it tells me that these are the sponsorship upgrades. Affiliate program. Once you use my link, you'll be able to get a 50% discount of when subscribing to the TubeBuddy. So we'll come here and say upgrade. We see the packages, how TubeBuddy is charging people, especially now that this month this is how it's charging. So for 1 month, you will be charged for those starting their journey and wanting to get their access of the new toolkit. The growth, you are charged only $3 per month. We see that TubeBuddy is a video optimization management toolkit, and for 1 month you'll only be charged $3. But the most popular for content creators looking to achieve maximum efficiency and time saving, go for this package. But if you pick, the best thing is to pick for the whole year, since you will have a discount of $2.4, and it will be good. It will be good. So we'll come here and select. Once you have less, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, use this coupon and get 50%. This is my coupon, Rising Star Buddy, and you will be able to get 50% off. So once you select, it will take the payment to where you're supposed to pay. But for my channel, I found that I have sponsored upgrades. Just use my link, and maybe you might qualify for the 50% bonus using the coupon that I just shown you here, Rising Star Buddy. So we'll go to the sponsored upgrades. We are talking about Affliate program. You can get it means the reward is lifetime free legal upgrade package. Let us see the legend package. The legend package is this is the legend package. This is the legend package. This is for the creators looking for maximum competitive edge, for making data driven decisions and expanding their reach. You will be able to, once you get this, you'll be able to save 58% with one time payment. It's only one time payment, and you'll be able to get it. For the starters, this is a package that I'm advising you go for it. So this is my affiliate program. I came here and I saw that once I'm told that once with trial with credit card, once I put my credit card, I'll get 30 days any level, compare the packages Pro or Star. So I'll come here, I'll try out the package. I'll try out the package as I look forward. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. So let me check.